I'm ready.
Yeah, okay. So now we go to the bigger and very serious light test. We have, well, first our biggest focusable baby. So far we had 150 watts or 100 watts low voltage. We had a 200 watts daylight. We had a 400 watts, 575 watts daylight head. Now we have a 1,200 watts daylight head, which is very impressive. Has a new constructed ballast, which is, well, every feature has a normal ballast, of course, but some special things. So he has always built-in DMX control. Standard. He has an auto switch, so if it's powered up, it goes automatically up, so you can switch on by generator. Of course, flicker-free and dimmable.
Your DMX control, is it like just like an XLR? Or
It's an XLR. It's on the rear side, and you can define your addresses, simple, with 2 buttons. And that's like all our DMX modules are. Then the same. So it's all XLR. We don't have different plugs in our products.
Right.
So, and the funny thing is here, it is fully focusable, and it has a very nice mechanic to open. So it's easy accessible, and there you can see our famous optical system with the 2 stages. Going back and forth, and now with the lens to the front.
I see.
So that's what's patented in Dedolight, that you have the 2 aspheric lenses and can focus the right way through.
So I guess I am, in comparison to say like an RE optical system, like what, I guess explain why it's better? Or
okay, it's even distribution, again, light distribution in the beam is more even than a Fresnel can be.
Okay.
And you have a by far bigger range of focusing, because you can go down under 10 degrees and go up to more than 50, and you can add here optical elements easily.
Right.
So that's another main difference. So you can use here a wide angle attachment.
Okay.
So you can go now between 40 and 80 degrees.
So you don't have to, you don't replace the whole lens, you put another lens on it.
Yeah, it's exactly. So for wide angle, I put another lens on it. I can do all this projection like we have here with the smaller lights done. I can do that here as well. I can add a projection attachment and can use this huge power of the lamp to send the projection quite far, and I have then optical correct projection without any color shifts or whatever there occurs with the cheaper solutions, to say, well, with the optical less precise solutions. Therefore, it is an add-on. It won't replace all the Fresnels in the world, of course not, but it gives you in that range now a huge precision you hadn't had before.
Right. I guess a question about construction too. Is it all one metal type, or is it?
Inside it's aluminium, and we have, well, here on the bottom is something different, and the inner housing is a little bit different as well. But there is no tension or something
so
like
no
that.
Clicking,
no clicking, very silent, cooling down, no problem, everything's fine.
Okay.
And it's got a cooling outside. Automatically, we have cool openings here and here. So we did a lot of research there that it works in every position, upside down and down, and that it's rainproof.
It is what?
That rain doesn't matter.
Oh, it's rainproof. Okay.
So that's now a very topic for us to get this done finally, the certificate, but our test show there's no problem, because no water can touch the lamp housing, because it's double housing inside, and electronic is capsuled on the side here.
Are other dado units like similarly rainproof, or are they?
Yeah, stray water proof in a certain way, but you can Well, that differs. Problem is a little bit the high voltage is restarting,
Yes.
and therefore that's a little bit difficult topic. The DC, of course, are no problem. You can. It's not recommended, but if a lamp head with 12 volts drops into water, it's no problem. This one would run underwater as long as you leave the 12 volt cable only into the water.
Okay.
Please not the wrong end of the dimmer, that would be a little bit dangerous,
Yes.
of course. Yeah, but you really can drop it into a pond or something.
Wow.
It won't stop working.
And when was that capability introduced? Like the DLH2, for example, wouldn't have that, or?
I
whatever
think
you
that
like to-
should be able with any light, because we didn't change a lot at socket and so on.
Okay. So it's just been an optical change, really.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that from to DLH4, that's really the lenses changed and the mechanics of the slider. That it's this double action.
Okay.
So what's a very nice and interesting light and brand new as well.